I was up in the attic several years ago and realized that I had some mold, and was up there again recently and saw that the mold had gotten out of control and realized I needed to do something. I knew mold was an issue for air quality and could cause problems health-wise for us and for my family, so I knew I needed to get someone in here to inspect it and get it remediated.
You know, our homes are our castle. We want to keep them neat and clean, and we want them to appreciate in value. But what about mildew and mold? Sometimes looking around, you can't see it, and you need an expert to tell you what's going wrong. Well, we're joined by an expert. Tim, how are you?
Good, Lou, how are you?
Tim Kerfen of Kerfen Inspections. Now, you guys are a full-service inspection company, but one of your big parts of your business is mold, right?
Correct, yes.
And this is a bigger problem, isn't it?
Well, you know, we go to a house, we're not looking under the sink or maybe in the bathroom around the caulk and things like that. Those are common mold issues. Housekeeping. We're looking for the real mold in the attic, crawl space, or basement.
But tell me some of the things that can cause this.
Well, the biggest problem is lack of airflow. We're talking about in an attic or in a crawl space or basement.
Okay.
It's all kind of the same. But in the attic, it's dark, hot, and damp, so you're creating a beautiful environment for mold growth. You don't want the mold spores elevated in your home compared to the exterior. If they are elevated in your home, you have an issue.
All right, so we got this beautiful home here, but it does have a mold problem. We've got a team of experts right now up in the attic. We're going to show you what it looks like and what you can do to get rid of it, so come with me. I gotta tell you, I would love to have this attic. Look at all this space, but the problem is it's full of mold, and we've got some technicians here working on it. Brad Flanagan, nice to see you.
Lou, how are you?
Another Italian kid just like me. So Tim came in and took a look, and this is amazing when I look at the amount of mold infestation that's in this home. What do you do when you first come into a home and we see this kind of infestation to get it ready so you can get rid of it?
Initially, we need to contain the area that we're going to conduct work in. By containing the area, we're able to create negative air pressure. Negative air pressure will allow us to trap any airborne spores or minimize cross-contamination.
So you put that plastic that I came through coming up the stairs, and then what's this machine right here?
This is an air scrubber. That's what's going to extract all the particulates in the air and filter it out through true HEPA filters.
Pulling all that air out, and you've got a tech right here. What is he putting on there?
He is actually disinfecting any mold that is in a living growth state. By doing that, we're also able to remove some of the staining and clean up the area before sealing it to prevent the mold from coming back.
These chemicals that you guys are using can only be purchased and installed by a licensed professional, correct?
Correct. The application strength that we get is going to be a commercial industrial strength. The products you buy on the shelf are typically not for building products.
What are the next steps?
The antimicrobial that we apply here, Microbe Guard, it actually does a lot of the work itself. We do need to scrub or sand if needed, and then prevent the mold from coming back.
Yeah, and the thing is, when you scrub it, some of that staining will still be there, but the actual mold inside will be dead, correct?
Correct, Louis. I use the term like a fire. The fire's gone, but the stains may be present.
Well, as you can see, there's quite a bit of work here that Mold Solutions has to do to get this home free of mold. If you sense a problem, make sure you get the right inspector to come out and tell you exactly what's going on, and then get the right contractor to get rid of it. It's going to add value to your home and ultimately keep you and your family safe.